Hello everyone, I Akanksha Mishra welcomes you all to our YouTube channel TNV Academy, your trusted destination for ISO learning and professional development. In today's video, we are going to discuss another essential process in ISO 20001, capacity and performance management. If you have ever dealt with slow systems, overloaded servers, or downtime during peak hours, this process is your solution. So let's dive in. What is capacity and performance management? In simple terms, capacity and performance management ensures that your IT services have the right resources in the right amount to perform well now and in the future. It's about answering two key questions. First, can our IT infrastructure handle the current workload? And second, will it continue to perform well as demand grows? Under ISO 20001, the goal is to make sure that IT services deliver the required performance levels without overloading resources or causing delays, and that capacity is planned proactively. Think of it like managing traffic on a highway. You want a smooth flow, not a traffic jam. Key requirements of ISO 20001. According to ISO 20001, organizations must monitor service performance continuously, track how systems are running and how much load they are handling. Compare actual versus expected performance. Are services meeting performance targets like response time, throughput, or system uptime? Forecast future capacity needs. Use trends, user growth, or seasonal demand to plan upgrades or scaling in advance. Implement improvements proactively. Add hardware, optimize software, or reallocate resources to prevent performance issues before users complain. Work with other processes like change management, incident management, and availability management to align capacity planning with the overall service strategy. Real-world example. Let's say your company runs an e-commerce platform. During normal days, your servers handle traffic well, but during festive sales, the site slows down or crashes. That's a capacity issue. If you had analyzed past traffic patterns and scaled up the servers in advance, either on-prem or in the cloud, you could have maintained good performance. That is what capacity and performance management is all about. Being ready, not just reactive. Benefits of capacity and performance management. When done right, this process brings huge benefits. Improved user experience, no slowdowns, no delays. Cost optimization, no over-provisioning or wasted resources. Higher availability, less chance of performance-related outages. Business continuity, services stay stable even during high demand. Informed decision-making, backed by real data and forecast. In short, your IT becomes more efficient, reliable, and scalable. So we can say that capacity and performance management is all about making sure your IT services run smoothly today and are ready for tomorrow. It is a vital part of ISO 20001, helping organizations deliver consistent, high-quality services even as the demand changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy for more ISO knowledge made simple. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.